Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Grom 125. This mini moto just arrived with only 1,195 miles. It's got the ABS brakes, engine guards, anodized adjustable rear set foot pegs, fender eliminator, and wait till you hear that Yoshi exhaust on this awesome Honda Grom with ABS. It's also got the anodized adjustable levers. It's a really cool looking bike. It's only $34.99. Not going to be here long. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.